My name is Bill Brown, and I'm president of Pride of NEPA. We're a social action and networking group in northeastern Pennsylvania. When I was young, I was bullied, picked on, and called plenty of names. It happened in school, and sometimes even by members of my family. I dropped out of high school and even thought of ending it someday, but I'm glad I didn't because it does get better. Today, I have a college degree. I'm getting my second degree in May, and I'm even going on for my master's degree because I have friends that love me and care for me and support me. I moved here from New York about 4 or 5 years ago just to seek an education, and when I got here, the first thing I noticed that was lacking was community, and I had to go and seek it out. And sure enough, I was able to find the Rainbow Alliance. I was able to find Pride of NEPA, the group that I work with. I was able to find friends on campus. We even started some GSAs, and now most of the college campuses around here have a GSA in northeastern Pennsylvania, and even some of the high schools now have them. And it's really important to be able to find people that are like you, people that will accept you, and people that will care about you and support you and encourage you in your life. And I strongly urge you go out and find these groups that are working so hard to support you in this community.